Welcome to another edition of MiddleGround Made. Today, we're introducing Steelcraft, which was acquired by MiddleGround Capital in 2019. Steelcraft is a complete end-to-end contract manufacturer in America's highly fragmented steel industry, providing a broad range of industrial OEM steel products to industrial end markets including government, lawn and garden, electrical, construction equipment, agriculture, and building products from their 3 facilities in Wisconsin, right here in the heartland of American manufacturing.
We do everything from fabrication to weld to assembly to stamping to coatings, and so we do a lot of creative engineering solutions as well for our various customers.
The company's high level of vertical integration makes them a preferred partner among many well-known blue-chip customers.
It definitely is a one-stop shop solution for the customers. We have a lot of ways to be creative, particularly on the engineering side, where we will work with them side by side on design solutions, really getting them to the end goal that they're trying to achieve.
An example of a custom solution Steelcraft offers is this highly complex agriculture manufacturing assembly. It's created with a combination of in-house fabrication and ordered parts before being fully coated utilizing Steelcraft's comprehensive suite of coating capabilities. The final product is then assembled and shipped on racks designed to go straight onto manufacturers' assembly lines. This and other custom solutions are a testament to Steelcraft's ability to partner with customers to build state-of-the-art solutions that get the job done.
We really pride ourselves on challenging everything here, and we'll continue to do that just so we can continue to improve for the business, for the community, and for our employees.
Steelcraft's extensive technical know-how and superior in-house manufacturing is how they fulfill the promise for their motto, make it right the first time, every time. Follow MiddleGround Capital on LinkedIn and YouTube for more MiddleGround Made.